Hey guys, today I'm going to be making some turtle charms with these bezels that I received from Miniature Sweet. And this was supposed to be my summer video, but you know, good intentions, it's not as easy as it sounds sometimes. But anyway, here I am with my Martha Stewart leaf glitters. I think they're called the iridescent leaf glitters, but I have heard that they're not being made anymore, and I'm kind of sad because I'm running a little low. I think I'm going to start hunting on eBay to see if I can stock up on them. But anyway, I am going to be coloring this turtle with a slight gradient with these three colors, just the inner parts of the shell. And you're going to see later, you probably saw in the thumbnail, I made a cool tone turtle and a warm tone turtle. I kind of wanted to put purple in it, but I decided to stick to greens and blues. It gives it more of kind of an oceany feel. Here I'm popping some air bubbles, and this is my new tabletop UV lamp from Parico. I'm going to do a full-blown review video on all of my UV lamps to compare them and answer some of your questions, but that's going to be later on. Anyway, here I am taking the light green to fill out the outer part of the shell. I think it turned out pretty well. I'm very happy with it. Once I have popped the air bubbles and cured this layer, I am going to move on to my next one, and we'll be doing the head and limbs later. This is the warm colored one. I'm going with yellows, pinks, and oranges. I love this pink so much. It is so pretty. Actually, just this whole line is so pretty. I'm really sad that it's not being made anymore. If that's in fact true, I just heard it from a friend. I don't live in America, so I don't know. If you've seen this in shops, let me know, because I would love to have more. Anyway, I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to make the gradient pink, orange, yellow, and you can mix the glitters with each other a little bit. I think I do this later on, and it makes a really nice gradient. Here I am mixing the glitters like I said earlier, and making the yellow-orange gradient, and I do the same with the pink and orange too, of course. Pop air bubbles and cure this layer. I'm going to make the outer shell. I did a light pink here. I couldn't decide if I wanted to do a yellow or a pink. I think the pink turned out pretty good. Here is that one, and then we're going to move on to our final one with the kind of open shell. I mixed up a little bit of purple here, and then I used the leftover from my other two pieces to make a rainbow. I think rainbows are one of my favorite things ever. Like, I like purples, I like blues, but nothing can beat a really nice rainbow. I'm just kind of running out of things to say, guys. I think we've all noticed that. So I'm repeating the steps again, and finally going to the limbs here. I couldn't decide if I wanted to keep them kind of clear looking or opaque. I decided to use my pastel pigments from Miniature Sweet, and I think that was the right decision because it really makes the shells stand out, and it didn't turn out to be a bad combination. I was worried with the gemmy glittery and like the pastel would look weird, but it really didn't. This project was something I just kind of sat down and started crafting. I didn't really plan it out, I didn't really think about it much, and thankfully they all turned out pretty nice. Usually when I do this, one or two of them turn out, you know, kind of weird looking, but thankfully these all kind of pulled together and became a team. Popping the air bubbles, curing that layer, and I also did a clear layer of resin over the top of everything, and this is how they turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be back with more, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!